Okay, so this is our cockatiel babies. This is our 3rd week with them, I believe. And both of them now have feathers, and they're between 2 and 4 weeks old. No, 3 and 4 weeks old. Sorry. And I forgot to charge the camera, so I can't take any pictures. And since it's Monday, and this is for their week's pictures, I feel really stupid because I forgot to charge the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a video instead. So right now it's their feeding time, but actually, honestly, anytime you get them out, this is the exact sound that they make. But sometimes they go more crazy, and they really do. You see, both of them, and then they'll sometimes like try to lunge at your hand. It's pretty cute. But I was trying to move Bananas to a actually trying to move Bananas so he can perch and put him in the cage that we have, like the big what I call the big bird cage. And but he hasn't perched at all, and I tried to get him perched, but he doesn't want to. So actually today I'm gonna try with this, and you're gonna get to see all that. So yeah, I'm hoping this phone stand will work, and so you can see what I'm doing, but I have to set it up first. That works, I think so. Okay. Here. So this is Runt. Oh, let me pick this up a bit. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. So this is Runt. He's the youngest. And you're actually perching now, huh? Yeah, you are. Let me see. Let me see this. Where you going? Can you perch right there? Can you perch? There we go. There we go. Both hands. Both hands. So there we are, and down you go. Okay, let's see. Bananas. Come here, Bananas. That's a big bird. Come on, step up. There we go. That's a good perching baby. That's a good perching baby. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. My goodness. This looks so dark. Well, can you get me like a lamp or something? Yeah. Where are you going? Come here. Stay right there. I'm hungry. They're so cute. I know. You're hungry. I step up too. You step up. Step up. And more. Come here. Come here, sillies. Come here, silly. Come here. What are you crying about, Cass? Come here. Want to see Cassie? No. All four. Good. Now, can you sit? And sit down. Sit. Good. No, that does not work. No. For the lamp. There we are. Now we can see you, Cassie. Oh, okay. I think it's... I'm going to start with this. Okay. So, here's Cassie. Yeah. Cassie, sit. Seatson. Hey, Seatson. Seatson. Good girl. Bleep. Cassie only speaks, she only takes German commands, so can't really speak to her in English. Now, let's see. No, Corona. Cassie, Seatson, please. Seatson, thank you. There we go, perch. Yeah, good baby! Good baby! Woohoo! Now let's get you on the other side. Ready? Up. Up. Oh, no. Cassie, Seatson. They're really, really soft. Let me see if I can get a picture of her. Cassie, you're scaring them, silly. Bleep. Bleep. Very conservative, baby. Why are you getting so angry? Why are you getting so angry? Not a syringe, you know. Let's see. Wow, look at you, so beautiful. You see the baby, Cassie? Do you see the baby? You see the baby? The baby. The baby. Don't lick them. They don't want to be licked. They don't want your nasty slobber all over them. They don't want your nasty slobber all over them. Look at you with your little crown, yeah. Like little mini Foster. And cockatiels are said to be cousin of cockatoos. And I don't know if it's just genetics or, you know, if it has to do with that little crown that they have. Oh, they're so cute and so soft. I don't know if it's that I haven't had a baby and babies and, well, I don't know. I guess to me they feel really, really soft. I don't know if it's cockatiels have really, really soft feathers or they're branding feathers or what, but to me they're so soft. I mean, honestly, even Foster doesn't feel this soft. But they're like ridiculously soft. What is it, Cassie? Huh? You see the babies? Do you see the babies? The babies actually like Cassie. I had taken some pictures that were on the camera, and it was of them and Cassie, but I don't think they're no longer on there. So, this is so cute. The little crown is adorable. Runt. You're so cute. Nom, 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 nom. Cassie, back up. This is their bubble. Their bubble. They don't want you here. You hear me? They don't want you there. You hear me? Bubble, this is personal space, okay? What if I was all over here and petting you and putting up your eye, huh? If somebody was over here licking on your eye and you couldn't see anything, huh? Leave them alone. No, they need a. This is their bubble. That's their bubble. You hear me? Stop wagging your tail. I'm telling you the truth. You're so silly. Gibla. 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 You're so cute. That's what they do, Cass. That's what they do. Yeah, they do. Look at you flapping up your feathers in front. You're so cute. Yeah, there you go. Step up there. Oh, no. You are so huge. Bananas, jeez. Your size is bananas. That's what's bananas. Let's see. There we go. Step up. No. Step up. There. No. And we go down. Okay, let's try you bananas. Come on. Y'all need to learn to step up because that's where I'm going to start putting y'all. Y'all are old enough already. Come on. You gotta start getting up and y'all go down. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ew. Please don't want me touching you. Huh? And come on. Step up here. Step up here, silly. Goro, make the food for me. Goro, can you make the food for me? Can you make the food for me, please? Goodness me, come back here. Ew. Come here, silly. Come on, baby.
Ew.
Look at you, got your feathers. You with your feathers ready, and go. Come on, show those feathers. Wow, look at you. You're a big bird already. Oh, goodness, I'm going to have to get a picture of you with that. Why are you running away? Come back here. Silly Willy. You're so silly, Willy. Where are you going, Rat? Get over there. Now, these are my first cockatiels, so I don't know if that's the way they are or or what exactly. Why are you looking at me like that, Rat? You're so cute. I know, my finger's not food. You guys, do I want to split you guys up, huh? That looks like that's what I'm going to have to do. Looks like that's what I'm going to have to do.